Today we're unboxing one of the most important and one of the most popular upgrades for a 350Z or a G35 or any VQ or VR platform, BC Racing Coilovers. Let's take a look at what comes when you order these BC Racing Coilovers from our website. It obviously comes double box because it's going to be with a shipping box, and these are coming with the front and rear true coilover designs. Let's take a look at what's inside of the box. Obviously you're getting all the instructions and everything right there, and all the BC Racing coilovers that are organized and looking super nice in here. Let's take them out, starting from the front ones, and get to the back. These coilovers are a monotube coilover design with a fully adjustable shock body, which means that it does not mess up the spring rate when you do adjustments. It also comes with a rear adjustment pieces as well. That makes it much easier on your end. Those are the front, and here are the back ones that get adjusted. These models are for a 370Z. But there's also the difference between the Q50 models, which will look a little bit different, and then also the G35 and the 350Z models that look a little different as well. Very simple on how they come, very well packaged. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because what we're going to be doing is also showing you how to install BC Racing coilovers on your 350Z, G35, Q50, Q60, and 370Z.